Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'll be showing you how to use conditional formatting in Excel using a real-world farming operation dataset. So we are covering everything, all the 6 techniques, so stay with me. Now, what exactly is conditional formatting? Conditional formatting is an Excel tool that automatically applies colors, icons, and visual hues to your data based on condition you set. So instead of manually scanning hundreds of rows looking for pattern, conditional formatting highlights them for you instantly. So it makes your data visually powerful and easier to interpret. Let me show you exactly how it works. Now, the first technique is highlight cell rules. So these rules let you highlight specific cell based on their value. So I select my actual revenue column, then go straight to Home tab, click on Conditional Formatting, then go straight to Highlight Cell Rules, and then click Greater Than. So I choose a highlight color, and then you can immediately see that the high revenue farm stand out immediately. Now I do the same for my actual profit column, but this time I highlight cell less than 0 in red. So this immediately show me which farm are running at loss. Now, just by looking at my data set, I can instantly spot high revenue farm in green and loss-making farm in red. No manual scanning needed. So the next technique is top and bottom rules. This highlights the best and worst performing farm automatically. So I select my actual profit column, then go straight to conditional formatting, then click on top and bottom rules. I then highlight the top 10 item. So Excel immediately highlights the top 10 highest profit farm in my data set. So I can change 10 to any number if I want to. Then I do the same for bottom 10 item, highlighting the lowest performing farm in a different color. So now I can instantly see which farm are my top performance and which one needs attention without sorting or filtering anything. The next one is color scale. Now this technique applies a gradient of colors across an entire column based on value from the lowest to the highest. So I select my ROI column, then go straight to conditional formatting, click on color scale, and then pick the green to red scale. So now the highest ROI farm are green and the lowest ROI farm are red, with everything in between showing a gradient from green to yellow to red. So this is one of my favorite techniques because it gives you an instant visual overview of performance across the entire column without reading a single number. The next one is data bar. So this technique adds a mini bar chart inside each cell proportional to its value. So I select my investment column, then go straight to conditional formatting, click on data bar, and then pick a color. So every cell in the investment column shows a bar. The longer the bar, the higher the investment. So this makes it incredibly easy to visually compare how much was spent across different farms without creating a separate chart. So the next one is icon set. So this technique adds visual icons to cells based on their values. So we have arrows, traffic lights, stars, and more. And then I select my actual revenue column, then go straight to conditional formatting, then click icon set, and then I pick the 3 arrow set. So now farm with high revenue show an upward green arrow. Farm with medium revenue show a sideways yellow arrow, and farm with negative revenue shows a downward red arrow. So now, this is perfect for quick status check. You can scan the entire profit column in seconds just by looking at the arrows. So the last one happens to be my favorite techniques, which is custom formula rules. This is where conditional formatting gets really powerful. Instead of formatting just one column, I can highlight the entire rows based on one condition. Firstly, I want to highlight every rows where the status column is equals to harvested. So I select my entire data set, then go straight to conditional formatting, click on new rule, then click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. So I typed in my formulas. Then I choose a highlight color. So now every single row where the farm status is harvested gets highlighted automatically across all columns. Then I create another rule to highlight rows where actual profit is negative. Then I entered my formula. Now, every loss making farm row is highlighted in red across the entire data set. So this is incredibly powerful for spotting pattern across multiple columns at the same time. So that is all the 6 conditional formatting techniques applied to a real farming operation dataset. I hope you found this useful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the Analyst Diary for more.